What is the single greatest challenge affecting your health today? Research shows that one of the leading challenges is toxic heavy metals and chemicals that accumulate in your body over a lifetime from the food we eat, the air we breathe, and the bad habits we have. Unfortunately, in our polluted world, there's no escaping this exposure, and it could be causing your body to be out of balance and overweight. Recent statistics show America is facing a major epidemic. Over 30% of Americans are now overweight, and according to the Centers of Disease Controls and Prevention, another 35% are considered obese. But more alarming, 17% of American children and adolescents are obese today. Multiple scientific studies published in leading medical and scientific journals now highlight the link that inflammation caused by environmental toxins, as well as processed and genetically engineered foods, may be the root of this problem. So what can we do? How can we tackle this epidemic? Balancing the body is the answer. Now, you may be asking yourself, how can toxins make people overweight? According to the CDC, over 80,000 environmental toxins lace household chemicals, body care products, our food chain, the air we breathe, and more. Scientists have recently uncovered a surprising and disturbing fact that these toxins hinder the body's ability to balance blood sugar and metabolize cholesterol. These environmental toxins, as well as toxins from the food we eat, such as high fructose corn syrup, cause inflammation that can lead to insulin resistance. This discovery should be headline news. However, nobody's talking about it. Why is that? Could it be that there are no drugs to treat it? Are the highly powerful lobbyist groups keeping it buried? If you're overweight, chances are that it's a result of these toxins being stored in your fat cells, and no amount of exercise, magic pills, or fad and trendy dieting is going to work long term. So what can you do to get rid of these toxins? Daily, your body tries to detoxify itself. This is the natural way of breaking down and eliminating anything that doesn't belong. However, we live in a metabolic crisis, an environment steeped in chemicals that our bodies were not designed to process. So you need a boost to help cleanse those unwanted toxins. K-DTX369 is that extra boost. K-DTX369 is a structured daily transformation wellness program designed to help the body reset, restore, and revitalize. Unlike standard one-size-fits-all cleanses, the K-DTX369 Daily Transformation Program also offers flexibility to help you target what your body needs most. It is a comprehensive program that bridges the gap between targeted detox nutrition and metabolic support. K-DTX369 includes a proprietary herbal hemp formulation for both internal and external use. This program will help flush away toxins, manage stress, and aid in a restful night's sleep, helping you achieve balanced, optimal health. When combined with proper nutrition and moderate exercise, the body will reset, restore, and revitalize itself the way Mother Nature intended. This is not your typical detox or trendy diet. It is a program designed to fix the root of the problem. Don't be a metabolic crisis statistic. Reset, restore, and revitalize your life with the K-DTX369 Daily Transformation Program, and enter our $10,000 Daily Transformation Challenge today.